So you may have heard of Southwire SPEED Services, but you may be asking, what does that even mean? Well, it means you don't just have to no quote on challenging opportunities requiring less than minimum order quantity or a reduced lead time. It also means you've got a team to help you quote all sorts of custom cable configurations. It means that our plants and service centers have defined processes to avoid disruption when our customers require us to go above and beyond. It means we have a dedicated team of professionals that are going to carry these complex orders out to flawless execution from an operational and logistical standpoint. Southwire has always crushed it on big opportunities, but we'll soon be equipped to handle the smaller opportunities using our Southwire Speed same-day service. Southwire Speed team is here to turn no quote into no problem.